Hello, today we're going to talk about a form that people will be using if the deposit is not held by brokerage. If you're a buyer's agent or a seller's agent and the deposit is not held by real estate brokerage, then you will have to provide this form to your brokerage and have your client sign this form. It's called purchase deposit not held by brokerage. So you have to put a date here, okay, and then put your client's name and your brokerage's name, and then you have to put the contract purchase date of the contract, and then your realty name. The seller and the buyer agree that Lexmore Realty, you have to put the license name or licensee. Okay, licensee's name is not required to deliver money received by the buyer or seller pursuant to the contract. So basically this is the buyer agent name here. Okay, and then seller sign, buyer sign, and licensee on behalf of the brokerage. So the licensee is the buyer's agent, signs here. Okay, after everybody sign, then you send this one to your conveyancing.